guys, it's CP, and I've been super obsessed with my Instant Pot lately that I wanted to share my version of the Starbucks sous vide egg bites with you. Don't forget to press like and subscribe below for more Instant Pot recipes. Let's get started. I've already laid out some of the ingredients here. We have here our egg molds and our blender so that we could mix these all together, well, some of these all together, and then pour them in the egg sous vide bites. Then after, you'll just need to pull out your Instant Pot. But since I don't have that much space, we'll do that after. So I have 6 eggs. Oops. Salt. Pepper. Cayenne pepper. Take our milk. And we're gonna do half the milk there. Garlic. And we're gonna give that a nice blend. For this next part, we're gonna put out our egg molds and basically fill it with the ingredients that you like to put in egg sous vides. All of them are gonna have cheese. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the bottom of these with cheese already. I'm gonna make this special pink one with some Spam. So I've already fried up some Spam and chopped it up into little pieces. And then drop a few of the pieces of Spam in here. And this one, we're gonna put onions. Obviously, you could cut up your spinach how you want. I almost always use scissors to cut. And I'm just gonna go ahead and top all of these off. And we're gonna also just put some here in the Spam. Just so that you have some sort of greens. Next, you're gonna wanna take your mixture. Just pour it into about halfway of all the cups. Once you got those sort of set up, you want to go ahead and grab your Instant Pot. You're going to want to put foils on top of all of the egg molds so that moisture, not extra moisture, will enter the egg bites. Next, you're going to grab your little basket and stack your egg bites top of each other. Just gonna put in a cup of water. Okay. Go ahead and take egg molds and pop them right in. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take my lid, close that. I don't actually have to press anything here. It automatically seals the vent. And now you're just gonna go ahead and click steam. And you're going to steam that at 10 minutes on normal. And just in a few seconds, it'll begin. You'll let that start. All right, so our Instant Pot just finished. And now we're gonna do the thing where we release the steam. So for me, I just need to push this button here. So careful. And there's the steam. Let that all the way release, and we'll pull out our egg bites. Now that my Instant Pot has finished letting off the steam, it's safe to open. So I want to go ahead and open up your Instant Pot. And for a tip, you can actually put your lid on the side there. So it's a little holder. You have to remember when you close it, you don't close it, you have to lift it up and then close it because then it will break. So then we're gonna go ahead and just pull out. Need something, please hold. It was a little hot. Now I have my little pad and my little mints to pull out the thing. Okay, so we're gonna pull out the bites and place the, oopsies, it's leaking, on the little tray like so. And let's go ahead and get this out of the way. Give these egg sous vides a look. So I got my little plates to plate them. And this very first one, let's go ahead and take off the foil here. Ah, it's so pretty. All right, so these are your little hot. Put these back on. Okay. So here's our first set of egg sous vides. They are the one with Spam. Okay. And so just to release them, all you need to do is put them on a plate, put them upside down. So put your plate grab the egg mold and flip, boop. And then just like so, you could, they may already release, but you could put the tops of the egg molds. And keep in mind they're still very hot, and I don't think I poked enough. Alright. Oh, no. Hello? Uh-oh, that one broke. Oops. Haha! Here we go. Should be easier. But yeah, look at these. They're so cute. I'll do a closer shot just a little bit. So, next. Yeah, whoa, that one overinflated. We'll just scoot these over and pop them right on top. Voila! Oh, and out they popped. Here's our final product. Whee! I'm gonna do a little taste test. This is the one without the Spam. This one is just, I believe it might have onion, spinach. They're really airy and fluffy. And I like that I added the onion in this one. It's a little strong on the onion side, but it does have a nice crunch and nice texture to the eggs, because the eggs are definitely on the softer side. So here's our Spam plate. Some of these are Spam. Here's some of our Spam plates. And I'm gonna try, let's go ahead and cut it open so you guys can see actually what it looks like. So inside here is a cut sous vide, little Spam. See, it has a nice little fluffy, airy texture to it. I think the Spam was my favorite, of course, because who doesn't love Spam? And it definitely has a nice salty taste to it, so it actually adds to the taste of the egg sous vides. So yeah, I hope you guys are able to try this out. Let me know down in the comments if you try out this recipe, and let me know what some of your favorites are.